Let's make a Singapore fried rice. It have a touch of spice, but it's very flavorful. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. This recipe serves 3 guests. Onto a pot, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 200 grams diced chicken on a high heat, stir for 1 minute. Make a well at the center, crack 2 eggs. Leave it for 1 minute and scramble it. Add diced 1 cup of carrot, diced 2 cup of cabbage, 1 cup of green peas, 1 cup of diced peppers. Combine well. Stir fry for 2 minutes. Salt 2 teaspoons. Sugar 1 teaspoon. Crushed chili 1 teaspoon. Curry powder 4 teaspoons. How to make a curry powder? The recipe is there in my channel. Chili sauce 3 teaspoons. Give a quick mix. How to cook rice is there in my channel. Add 5 cups of cooked rice, Basmati rice. Light soya 1 tablespoon. Half cup green onions chopped. Combine well. Stir fry. You will get a spicy Singapore fried rice. Transfer to a serving dish. Garnish with some green onions. Little bit of touch of spice. Singapore fried rice. It's ready. Within just 5 minutes, rice is ready. Afterwards, just enjoy and eat. Don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye.